Hello. So in this video I'll show you how to use the Scribble features of the software. The software is called Imalytics Preclinical and meant to analyze multimodal image data. So the scribbles are used to draw lines, to delineate organs, and particularly convex organs such as the urinary bladder here. So convex means a round organ, so the scribbles are not really useful to segment the lung, for example. So let's look at the bladder. Let's delete the bladder first to segment it again then. So it's always best to zoom in as much as possible so you have higher accuracy, and then turn on this button to enable drawing of the scribbles, and then you can start delineating. But before starting, it's good to press F1 first to delete all scribbles, because you may have some scribbles somewhere else in another slice. So just press F1 to delete them. So then you can delineate the boundary. You can do this in multiple slice views also. And then press F3, and that is connecting these, and then you can slice through and add more scribbles here, for example, to add more accuracy, and slice through again to the other direction and add some scribbles here. So the scribbles are providing a wireframe, and F3 fills that wireframe. It's like surrounding it. It's like surrounding it with a kitchen foil, and then filling that kitchen foil. And usually around 10 scribbles are sufficient. So let's have a look here. And then when you're happy, you can add the class bladder and press F4. So F4 will assign this red temporary mask to the output class here. F4. Now it appears here in 3D, the urinary bladder, and it is now segmented, and you can use it for quantification of the overlay, for example, here in this case, FMT dataset. There is one more interesting thing. The scribbles can be used for cutting. Let's go to the trachea here, for example. So I just jump there. You can use also this button to jump there. And so this trachea here is now connected to the lung, and if you want to remove it, you can draw scribbles around it here and press F2, and that is cutting the trachea. It's making a cut right here, so where we were here. And then you can add a class trachea and do a region filling operation here. Just click at the top at the trachea, say fill region unlimited, and that flows just until it hits the trachea. Here you can see this in a sagittal view. That's the cut, and the trachea was filled here, and it didn't grow further into the lung because of this cut here. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.